Thales has officially entered full-scale production of its ground fire multifunction radar, marking a significant milestone in the modernization of France's air and missile defense capabilities. This development comes after rigorous factory acceptance tests at Thales Limars facility, which were closely monitored by France's Defense Procurement Agency. The ground fire radar is set to become the central sensor for the next-generation SAMP/TNG air defense system, replacing the older Arabelle radar and forming a critical part of Eurosam's enhanced fire control architecture. By moving into continuous production, Thales not only demonstrates its technological readiness but also signals Europe's growing focus on strengthening its integrated air and missile defense infrastructure amid escalating global missile threats and drone incursions. The ground fire radar represents a fully digital, S-band active electronically scanned array (AESA) system, designed to meet the increasingly demanding requirements of modern air defense. With a detection range of 400 kilometers, full 360-degree azimuth coverage, and 90-degree elevation, the radar can track multiple aerial threats simultaneously while maintaining exceptional accuracy. A 1-second refresh rate ensures that target information is updated almost in real time, a crucial factor when engaging fast-moving threats such as cruise missiles, drones, and short- to medium-range ballistic missiles. The radar's digital architecture and multi-beam capability allow it to perform both wide-area surveillance and precise fire control simultaneously, ensuring that commanders can respond quickly to sudden incursions and complex attack patterns. Beyond range and coverage, ground fire emphasizes resilience in contested environments. Its electronic agility, combined with sophisticated Doppler processing, allows the system to distinguish small, low-radar cross-section targets from clutter, even in mountainous or urban terrain where multipath reflections can degrade legacy radar systems. The AESA design also enhances resistance to jamming and electronic countermeasures, a vital capability as adversaries increasingly employ sophisticated electronic warfare techniques. Thales' approach to radar design ensures that the ground fire system maintains continuity of tracking and target discrimination even in highly cluttered or electronically degraded operational environments. Mobility is another defining feature of the ground fire radar. The system's compact, ISO container equivalent dimensions, coupled with rapid encampment and decamp capabilities, allow it to move alongside missile launcher units, maintaining operational coverage while reducing vulnerability to counterattacks. This ability to rapidly reposition makes it a versatile tool for both fixed-site and deployable air defense operations. The integration of such mobility with a fully digital, high-performance radar significantly enhances the responsiveness of a SAMP/TNG battery, providing commanders with the flexibility to adapt to evolving threats without sacrificing sensor performance or situational awareness. The radar's impact extends directly to missile performance. The SAMP/TNG system relies on high-fidelity target tracking to optimize the deployment of its Aster 30 interceptors. Ground fire's hemispherical coverage and rapid refresh rate improve mid-course tracking, enabling better discrimination of maneuvering targets and aeroballistic threats. This capability allows the system to manage larger raid sizes effectively while maintaining confidence in intercept solutions. By delivering faster queuing and higher quality tracks, the radar ensures that time-sensitive engagements preserve the kinetic energy necessary for successful endgame intercepts, enhancing overall system lethality and effectiveness in complex air battle scenarios. Thales has also prioritized interoperability and integration in the design of ground fire. The radar's open systems architecture facilitates connection with other European sensors and command networks, reducing latency between detection, correlation, and engagement. This interoperability is particularly important in multinational defense contexts, where integrated air and missile defense requires seamless sharing of real-time data across multiple platforms and national systems. Ground fire's ability to fuse information from passive sensors and remote emitters enhances situational awareness, improves counter-UAS operations, and enables distributed engagements when line-of-sight limitations or terrain constraints exist. Such features align with broader European priorities for creating layered air defense networks capable of transitioning between base defense and theater-wide coverage with minimal reconfiguration. The move to continuous series production of ground fire also reflects strategic considerations beyond pure technology. Thales has significantly increased radar production output in recent years, tripling output between 2022 and 2024. This surge addresses supply chain vulnerabilities around critical components, such as transmit-receive modules and digital back-end processors, and ensures program resilience for the SAMP/TNG. It also positions Europe to maintain a sovereign industrial base capable of producing advanced radar systems without over-reliance on external suppliers. In a geopolitical context characterized by rising drone incursions, long-range missile threats, and rapid technological proliferation, this industrial robustness is a crucial element of national and allied security planning. The French armed forces will begin receiving 8 ground fire radar units starting in 2026, aligning with the SAMP/TNG deployment schedule. These early deliveries place France among the first European nations to field this next-generation radar, providing a significant operational advantage. The radar's combination of range, coverage, speed, and mobility ensures that French batteries can maintain persistent surveillance and provide rapid, reliable target information for interceptor engagements. Furthermore, the system's design allows for potential multinational use, offering export opportunities and consortium-based procurement options that could bolster NATO's eastern flank and reinforce Franco-Italian leadership within the continent's air defense architecture. Operational flexibility is further enhanced by ground fire's multi-beam capability. Digital beamforming enables the radar to create multiple simultaneous track beams while controlling side lobes to limit susceptibility to electronic attacks. This capability ensures continuous target tracking during jamming or deception attempts, a critical factor in modern electronic warfare environments. The system's S-band frequency provides an effective balance between long-range detection and sufficient resolution for target discrimination, making it versatile across a variety of air defense missions, from counter-drone operations to engagement of complex ballistic missile threats. Such versatility underscores the radar's role not only as a sensor but as a force multiplier for modern air defense units. The introduction of ground fire into the SAMP/TNG system reflects broader trends in European defense modernization. NATO members face increasing challenges from drone swarms, precision-guided munitions, and rapidly evolving missile technologies. By fielding a highly capable, fully digital radar system, France ensures that its air and missile defense capabilities remain relevant and effective in both peacetime and crisis scenarios. The combination of rapid detection, high-fidelity tracking, and mobility enables forces to maintain a recognized air picture, react to emerging threats quickly, and sustain readiness even under dynamic operational conditions. Ground fire's operational design also considers human and command factors. The system simplifies target management and engagement coordination for battery commanders, reducing cognitive load while increasing engagement accuracy. Faster queuing and enhanced situational awareness improve decision-making under pressure, allowing commanders to prioritize threats effectively and manage simultaneous engagements without compromising performance. This human-centric approach, combined with cutting-edge technology, ensures that the radar contributes meaningfully to both tactical effectiveness and operational efficiency. In conclusion, the ground fire radar represents a pivotal advancement in European air and missile defense technology. Its combination of long-range detection, full hemispherical coverage, 1-second refresh rate, and electronic resilience makes it a critical enabler for the SAMP/TNG system. By entering full-scale production, Thales not only strengthens France's defensive capabilities but also reinforces Europe's industrial and strategic independence in radar technology. The radar's mobility, interoperability, and high-fidelity tracking capabilities ensure that it can meet the demands of modern air defense, providing commanders with reliable situational awareness, rapid engagement options, and effective countermeasure resilience. As Europe faces an evolving landscape of aerial threats, the deployment of ground fire sets a new standard for integrated, next-generation air and missile defense, ensuring that both France and its allies can respond swiftly and decisively to emerging challenges. With deliveries beginning in 2026, ground fire will soon play a central role in shaping the future of European air defense operations, offering both strategic assurance and tactical superiority in a rapidly changing security environment.